Minister Dr Zweli Mkhize is at Cowan House Prep School in KwaZulu-Natal. Let's chat to Simphiwe Makhanya, who is in Pietrmaritzurg, KwaZulu-Natal now. Very good afternoon to you, Simphiwe. We are getting reports that the minister is there, and also pleas from members of government for the South African public not to panic over this coronavirus. What's the latest?
Nzinga, afternoon to you, afternoon to the viewers at home. Well, certainly as you are coming to us now, Nzinga, the meeting is currently underway. The meeting involves the parents from this school, which is Cowan House, a preparatory school, as well as other schools in this area of Pietrmaritzurg. Many of them have arrived here to attend this meeting because the MEC for Education in KwaZulu-Natal, MEC Mkhize, did extend an invitation to parents as well to say they are also invited to be part of this meeting, which is currently underway. The meeting actually is about trying to allay the fears that many parents are now beginning to have. You'd recall, Nzinga, that this school behind me has suspended teaching and learning because they are saying they took that decision as a precautionary measure to ensure that those who are attending the school, the learners in particular, are safe during this time, as it has emerged that the parent or the 38-year-old patient who had been confirmed to have this virus is actually a parent of one of the learners or learners from this school behind me. The meeting is currently underway. We are expecting the Health Minister Dr Zweli Mkhize to immediately after that meeting address members of the media and answer a plethora of questions which have since come up since the outbreak, since this confirmation of the case was reported yesterday. When we spoke to quite a number of the parents here, they did say that they are very much concerned, and just ordinary citizens as well, they are saying they are very much concerned with the measures that are said to have been put in place by the Department of Health in KwaZulu-Natal. 5 hospitals have been identified to treat potential cases of coronavirus in KwaZulu-Natal. We also understand that thereafter the media briefing, which will take place at 2 o'clock, the minister will also lead a delegation to visit Gray's Hospital, which is a couple of kilometers away from where we are. That hospital, Nzinga, is also one of those 5 that have been identified to actually help in trying to curb the scourge of this virus. At the moment, we can tell you that the residents of KwaZulu-Natal are very concerned with those measures that have been put in place, saying that those public health institutions are not well known for actually being able to accommodate a number and treat patients thoroughly. Nzinga?
Simphiwe, what next? And have we heard anything from people outside of KwaZulu-Natal in terms of how this coronavirus possible outbreak is going to be dealt with?
That's the million-dollar question that the Health Minister, Nzinga, will have to respond to today, because we are getting quite a number of reports on social media, but obviously we have to wait for the authorities who have been tasked to deal with this issue to give us the exact details as to what is going to happen going forward. We also understand that the parent who's a patient in this particular case is actually was actually traveling from Italy. The question now which arises out of that is that what will then become of those who were on board the aeroplane that he was using, because at the moment the health department did not yesterday confirm where the patient was coming from. We only got to know from our sources earlier on this morning.
Giving us an update there from outside Cowan House Preparatory School. He's going to be giving us an update a little bit later on, and of course the minister is going to be addressing parents, and we'll also bring you that.